This 2015 Ford Transit cargo van is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 2015 Ford Transit cargo van T350. 1 ton. Factory towing package. Rear shelving. Medium roof. 148 wheelbase. Clean Ohio title. 1 owner. No accidents. No rust. Runs and drives like new. Clean in and out. 3.7L engine. 6-speed auto transmission. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. Auto check available on every vehicle. We beat everyone's prices. Must see IT, call now or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel Sprinter van, Dodge Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Sprinter, Ford van, diesel, turbo diesel. When we say best deals, we mean IT. All trade-ins are welcome. We also